Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable contact syncing from WhatsApp web to your phone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have full control over your contacts across devices. This feature is part of a recent update, making it easier than ever to manage your WhatsApp contacts. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats. Now, let's say you have a contact that you don't want to sync to your phone. Maybe it's a work contact you'd prefer to keep separate from your personal device. No problem. Next, find the contact you want to modify. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search function at the top. Once you've found the contact, click on their name. This will open up their contact information page. At the top of the contact info page, you'll notice an edit icon. It usually looks like a small pencil or pen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will allow you to make changes to the contact's information. Now, here's the important part. In the Edit menu, you'll see a new option called Sync to Phone. By default, this is usually enabled. To prevent this contact from syncing to your phone, simply disable this option by clicking on the toggle switch next to it. Once you've disabled the sync option, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the Edit menu, and give it a click. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled syncing for that specific contact. This means any changes you make to this contact on WhatsApp web won't be reflected on your phone's WhatsApp app. Remember, you can always reverse this process if you change your mind later. Just follow the same steps and re-enable the Sync to Phone option. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining separate contact lists for work and personal use, or simply for keeping your phone's contacts list clutter-free. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.